Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the resins. So it's a definition, classification, properties and identification test. So coming to the definition, these are solid or highly viscous substance of plant or synthetic origin that are typically convertible into the polymers. Right, it can convert into the polymers. These are the mixture of essential oil, oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acids. They are the exudation products from the trunk of various trees. Right. So next one, classification. Basically it is classified in 10 category. The first one, acid resins. Here the resins occur along with their acids. Different sources are colophony. From colophony, abietic acid is the chemical constituents. Second, mer, commiphoric acid is the constituents. Sandrac, sandracolic acid is the constituents. And copaiba, copivic acid. Second one, ester resins. This group contains esters as the chief constituents of the resins. Sources are benzoin, constituents benzoate, and storax, cinnamyl cinnamate. Third one, alcohol resins. It is also known as resinol, which contain alcoholic compound with high molecular weight. Sources are benzoin. The constituents in benzoin is benzoresinol. And second one, storax. The constituents is storesinol. Right. So fourth one, phenol resins. It is also known as resinotenol, which contain phenol group. The sources are first benzoin, thiaresinotenol. Second example, Peru balsam. The constituents resinotenol. The third example, Tolu balsam. The constituents is toluresinotenol. Right. The fifth one under resin, that is the glucoresins. Resins when get combined with sugars by glycosylation. Examples are Convolvulaceae family plants containing the glucoresins. The sixth one, resine, resene. These are stable, neutral, unaffected by the most of the chemical reagents, or by exposure to moisture it produces the hard film. Example, Asafoetida. The seventh one, oleoresin. Examples are ginger, turpentine, copaiba and Canada. Eighth one, gum resin. Examples are ammoniacum. Ninth one, oleogum resin. Examples are myrrh, Asafoetida and the gambos. The 10th one, balsam resin. Examples are Tolu balsam, Peru balsam and storax. Right, so these are the 10 category of the different types of resin. Coming to the properties of resins, first one, physical property. These are heavier than water, amorphous, hard and brittle solids. These are insoluble in water, whereas soluble in alcohol, chloroform and ether. When boiled with alkalis, it yields soaps. When heated, it softens and yielding clear and adhesive fluids. It gives smoky flame also. Coming to the chemical properties, resins are complex mixture of resin acids, resin alcohols, resinols, resin phenols, resinotanols, esters, and chemically inert compounds are known as resins. Resenes. Resin don't contain nitrogen elements. That's what these are known as non-nitrogenous compounds. Right. So the next one, identification test of resins. Right. So as the resins are the mixer of the components, so that's what there is no general identification test. We'll discuss it separately. So coming to the first one, benzoin. So what is the identification test for benzoin? The first, take the benzoin, add ether, shake, extract, treat with H2SO4. If you get the deep brown color, it is Sumatra benzoin. And if you are getting deep purple color, it is SAM benzoin. There are two types of benzoin, Sumatra benzoin and SAM benzoin. Second one, colophony. Take the colophony sample, add acetic anhydride and add concentrated H2SO4. You'll get the purple color which will change to the violet color. That is the one test. Second test for colophony. Take colophony, add light petroleum ether and dilute copper acetate by doubling the volume. How much volume you got by adding light petroleum ether, then you add dilute copper acetate for doubling the volume. The petroleum layer show the emerald green color because of the presence of abatic acid. The third one, myrrh plus ether, filter, and in the ether extract evaporate thin film when contact with the bromine vapor. Right. So when we are getting the ether extract, in that ether extract, if it will come into the contact of bromine vapor, it evaporate thin film which gives the violet color. Right. Second test, if you will shake the myrrh with the water, you will get the yellowish emulsion, which is the confirmation of the presence of resin. Fourth one, podophyllum. Take the drug, add alcohol, macerate, filter, on filtrate, add copper acetate solution, you'll get brown color or brown precipitate. Fifth one, tolu balsam. Acetic to litmus. Right, it will, there are two tests in tolu balsam. First one, drug plus FeCl3 solution, you'll get green color, which is because of the presence of resinotanol. And second test, on decoction, the decoction of tolu balsam, treat with the KMNO4 potassium permanganate solution, you'll get the odor of benzaldehyde. That is the confirmation of the presence of resins in tolu balsam. Right. So here we discussed the different identification tests. So totally we discussed the definition, classification, properties and the identification test of tanning. Right. Further you need to refer the other sources and books for deep knowledge. This is prepared for easy to remember. Thank you.